How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the color of clothing in Krita. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your toolbar, which is going to be this one. Now I'm going to emphasize my mouse right here just to show you where I'm pointing at. And then you want to select this tool called the polygon selection tool. Now this is going to be the longest part. You simply have to go ahead and trace over your clothing until you get the outline of the clothing that we want to go ahead and change. So let me just go ahead and do this real quick. Right after, you then want to right click on it and then click the cut selection to new layer. From there, we have successfully separated the shirt or the photo, the clothing right here, onto another layer. So what we can do is to simply click on this drop down menu, or you could also navigate through the filter option, click adjust, and then you want to select the HSV adjustments. In here, you could just toggle or feel free to experiment on the U right here. So maybe if we want to change it into something like this specific color, you can adjust the saturation and such. And basically from there, you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.